Hello everyone, Sanjana this side and I am a forever business owner. I welcome you all in today's new product video. In today's video, I am going to talk about aloe berry nectar. Content of this video is going to be first we will talk about ingredients of aloe berry nectar. After that, seals and certification of this product. Then what are the health benefits of this product, how to use it and what are the precautions to be taken while using it. I will tell you all these things in this video. So first of all, let's talk about its ingredients. It has 90.7% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel and 9.3% apple plus cranberry. Its taste is little sweet and sour. It tastes very tasty. I have personally used it. It contains vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, vitamin C, D and E. No preservatives are added in it. It supports healthy digestion. It is vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly, and gluten free. Apart from that, it is a good detoxifier. It contains 75 nutrients, 200 micronutrients, 12 vitamins, 18 amino acids, 22 minerals, 9 enzymes also. After that, this product has also got many seals and certification which defines that this product is best. First seal is International Aloe Science Council seal of approval. This seal is given to the products of aloe vera only, which have above 65% pure aloe vera gel and environment friendly. This seal is given after 300 to 400 quality tests. If any company fails even in one test, then they cannot give test for next 4 years. And since this seal was started, Forever Living Products achieves this seal every year. Next seal is a cruelty free seal, means products are not tested on animals. Next, kosher rating seal. This seal defines the purity and quality of product. Those products which have this seal are recognized and respected at the international level. Forever Aloe Vera Nectar has this seal also. Next, ISO certified. It has got the certification of ISO for its standard of the product. Next, M Halal certification, which defines that there is no intoxicating or alcoholic substance is added in it. These all seals and certifications are given to the aloe berry nectar. Now let's talk about health benefits of aloe berry nectar. It is also called best friend of girls. See, girls have monthly problem. You all know about it. So many girls and ladies have problem of pain and heavy flow, and they are taking tablets for it also. See, this is not a permanent or beneficial solution. This product helps in this problem and also maintain your blood level. It provides relief in pain, cramps, weakness, and increases blood level in our body. So that's why it is called best friend for girls. Okay. Next benefit, detoxification. It cleans our intestine because it has aloe vera. It also cleans kidney and urinary tract. It keeps our liver healthy, support nutrient absorption. Next benefit, it promotes a healthy immune system, reduces gout and uric acid problems, and also reduces bladder infection. After that, it is beneficial in ulcer that occurs in stomach. Mainly ladies have a problem of migraine, you all know. This product provides relief in migraine also. Next, it helps maintain natural energy level. It solves the problem of constipation also. And it is beneficial in low BP, low sugar. Don't recommend this product to those persons who have high BP and high sugar level. Okay. Next, it keeps our heart healthy and reduces bad cholesterol from our body. Okay. Next, 16th benefit is it keeps our liver and kidney healthy. It is beneficial in kidney stone, cleans skin and promotes beauty of skin. It provides relief in cough and cold and reduces lung infection also. Benefit, it helps in TB and bronchitis. It is very beneficial after operation, like if a lady give birth to a child by operation, that this product heals wound faster and reduces weakness plus increases blood in our body. But don't use it in pregnancy. It reduces depression and keeps toxins out of the body. Aloe berry nectar is beneficial in asthma also. So these are the benefits of this product. Overall, this is an amazing product with so many health benefits. You can use it for yourself and also share with your family and friends. See, this is a nutritional product which you have to use for longer time for best results. Okay. Now let's talk about how to use aloe berry nectar. I will tell you 7 steps. First, drink aloe berry nectar in the morning on an empty stomach without even brushing your teeth. Quantity 30 to 40 ml, and it has to be taken in the glass tumbler only. If you pour it in a steel glass, then some of its properties get destroyed. So make sure that you are drinking it after pouring in the glass tumbler. Okay. Do not drink aloe berry nectar mixed with water even by mistake. After 15 to 20 minutes of drinking aloe berry nectar, drink 1 to 2 glasses of lukewarm water. Eat food after 15 to 20 minutes of drinking water. For best results, drink half or 1 liter more water than you drink a day. You have to drink at least 10 to 12 glasses of water daily. So use aloe berry nectar in this manner properly. Okay. Now, what are the precautions of using aloe berry nectar? First, don't drink directly from the bottle because bottle is made up of paperboard, and if you drink directly from the bottle, then the area around the cap getting deteriorate. Second, do refrigerate immediately after opening the bottle. Third, keep the bottle straight in the refrigerator. Do not keep it tilted. Fourth and most important, do not recommend aloe berry nectar to pregnant women because they do not need cleansing, and do not recommend this product to high sugar patient because it has sugar content. You can recommend aloe vera gel to that person. If you have any query related to any product of Forever Living Products International, or you want to use any product, then you can just fill the form given in the description of this video. I will definitely provide you proper information about your every query. So if you really like this video, this information about aloe berry nectar, then you can just share this video to your teammates, friends and family. And you can subscribe to this channel for more products information and other information related to FLP. If you use this product before, then you can share your experience in the comment section. See you all in next video. Bye bye. Take care.